jerking something off.
So why didn't you stop me there? Why did you pull off and then once I pulled off?
Because I stopped you as soon as you hit the road. Listen, I'm not.
But why you just didn't know? I'm trying to hear that. Why you didn't stop right there if that was the problem? That's this line.
The AS1 line is like right here.
Where's the line? Show me the line, sir.
On most cars, it's right here.
Okay, you say most cars. Can you show me the line?
Look how far.
Can you show? That's what I asked you. Can you show me the line? And y'all don't even do your job. Okay. But all of a sudden, y'all want to do something today. What is the problem?
A young black man driving his mother's Chevrolet gets followed for blocks with no lights activated, then pulled over the moment he pulls back onto the road. Under the Fourth Amendment and Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an officer must have reasonable, articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot before initiating a traffic stop. Fishing expeditions do not qualify. What started as a claimed parking violation quickly shifted to window tint the moment the first excuse collapsed. Mom arrives and immediately recognizes harassment disguised as enforcement. While the officer struggles to locate the AS1 line and blames a possible aftermarket windshield, she refuses every attempt to escalate a warning into a search. Her son stays calm. She becomes the wall that stops the nonsense cold.
Demo, I was wondering if you all stock the temp meters in your vehicles.
The temp meters?
Yes. Are you issued them? Watch out for this car.
Yeah, we have them. But if you don't have a bike, but if you have a bike or you have lights, you need them.
I don't know what that has to do with window tint.
Yeah, we get issued temp meters.
Okay. And you only use them when you think you need them, or? I'm not trying to harass you. I'm just asking, like, when do you use them?
When we stop a vehicle for time.
You didn't use them on that vehicle the other day. That's why I'm asking.
I stopped him because he was on the wrong side of the road.
Okay.
All right, man.
Take care.
Hello. How's it going?
That's why y'all was following me the whole time. Cause I had when I was all the way up there, I seen you following me by the school. You never turned the lights on until just now, so I just want to know why you guys was following me.
Well, I was just in the area, so listen, the reason why I stopped you is because the tent, this thing right here, the tent, and when you went to Davis Loop, parked on the wrong side of the road.
Talking about right there where the house at?
Yeah.
That was my grandma's house. I can't park right there. That was in the garage.
No, so but the reason why I stopped you is for the tent. Okay. So, where are you heading? What's up? What's that? Headed home from work. Okay. Alright. Do you have your... Alright, you got registration, proof of insurance. Alright, just hang out right here and I'll be back to check everything out. Alright, man. Do you have any weapons in here? What's that? What? No? Okay. Alright.
Hold on, he's down here at the door. Hold on. Yeah.
So, can I talk to you outside? Here's your stuff back, by the way. Alright. So, listen. Do you have anything? Don't put your hands in your pocket. Do you have anything inside the vehicle? At all? You don't have any weapons, anything at all? What's that?
Nothing in the car.
Okay. Alright, so there's nothing going to be in the car?
No, sir.
Okay. Alright. You mind if I look through it?
He's trying to search the car. I don't know what he's trying to like.
Can you hang out with them?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, can you stay up against your man? Alright. So on 14th Street, where were you heading to? The one near the school?
So when you see that school and you turn around?
Yeah.
Is that your car? It's not your car? trying to search your car because the detox drink. Y'all seen the detox drink? So can I, while you're trying to search your car, I just stop and search your car?
Yeah, we try to search everybody we can. Cool. Can I help you?
So what's the problem? Because my window tint is current.
Relax.
I know, I'm fine, but I can't stand this harassing. Because everything is legit on my car. Here's my license, and my tint is legit. So what's the problem?
Your tint's actually not legit.
Honey, I got it done professionally. I made sure it was legal.
I'm not saying you did.
Okay, but I made sure. Okay, well, let's call the guy. Because I have his card. I made sure it was legal.
All right, bud.
And I done had this tint on here for at least 3 years.
All right, ma'am.
I never got stopped by. I'm talking. Hold on.
Okay, can you hang out over there?
Stop for a reason.
All right. So listen.
Yes, explain.
All right.
Sir, can I show you?
Everything's good.
Show me.
Okay.
Show me.
So I'm gonna give you a verbal warning for the tent. I'm not gonna write you a citation for the tent.
Right here.
Okay. So I'm gonna give you a verbal warning for the tent. Just make sure not to park on the right side of the road if you're gonna park. So if you're parked here, it's with the flow of traffic, right? So this is good. And then if you're on this side, then you'd park on this side. So it's pretty much going with the flow of traffic. So, but I appreciate you being cooperative. Like I said, you're good to go. Okay, just make sure to park on the right side of the road. And just remember that. All right.
AS1 line. That tint on the front is way past that AS1 line.
Sir, can I show you something? Come on, show me.
So I'm gonna give you
No.
This right here is not past that line. This is not past this line.
The AS1 line is like right here.
Where's the line? Show me the line, sir.
On most cars, it's right here.
Okay, you say most cars. Can you show me the line?
Look how far.
Can you show?
Look how
That's
far
what I
down
asked
this
you. Can you
tint
show me the
goes.
line?
Ma'am.
Okay, well I will go and
You
get it
asked me to
up. I
explain
will
to
go
you.
because you're not showing me the line though.
Take
You
it back to him and
making
ask him.
stuff up. You're
We're
not
making
showing me the
anything up.
line.
Look
So
at
where's
it.
the
I'm right
line?
here.
So
Show me the line. That's
tell
what I'm
me
asking.
how was she when they installed the tent? Right?
Thank you.
When they installed the tent, how was it?
Because he
How
can't
would she
even
know
explain.
like where the AS1 line is? Like
On most cars, it's clearly marked on the windshield. I don't know if this is aftermarket windshield. I don't know what
No,
the
it's
manufacturer has
But other than that, have a
failed
good day.
to put it on there. Most cars, it's clearly marked on the windshield. I don't know if this is aftermarket windshield. I don't know what
No, it's
the
not.
manufacturer is.
But other than that, have a good day, man. All right.
You have a good day too, sir. What's your name?
Step out.
Semi. Okay, thank you. Because y'all just so full of it. Oh,
Can I talk to you over there?
what you need to talk to me? You can talk to me right here in front of everybody.
Okay.
This is my son. This is my brother. So what's the
Okay.
problem?
So I stopped him because he parked on the wrong side of the road. Okay.
Where at? Where? Hold on. That's my grandma's house. So why you just didn't
Listen.
ask?
Okay.
You parked on. I parked there every day. He was dropping something off.
So why didn't you stop me there? Why did you pull off
Exactly.
and then once
Because I
pulled off,
stopped you as soon as you hit the road. Listen, I'm not
But why
giving
you just didn't know? I know. I don't trying to hear that shit.
follow me.
Why you didn't stop right there if that was the problem? Why did you pull off?
Because I have to call it out of the radio and let
You
dispatch
could
know.
have stopped right
You
there
was
and
following
called
me all
it
the way
off.
from the cops,
Okay.
bro.
You could have stopped right
All right.
there and called off. That's why I say y'all full of it.
Okay.
So why you
I am
didn't?
not
Why you
giving
didn't
him-
stop?
I'm not-
I understand that you didn't have no reason to. What I'm asking you, why you didn't stop him right there in front of my grandma's house, in front of my mom's house?
Because like I said, I had to call it out.
Why you didn't call? Yo, come on, you can call it in. You didn't have to ride off to call it in. You could have called it in
I'm
right
giving
there.
him a verbal warning for this incident. I'm not giving him a citation. Okay?
Okay. It wouldn't matter if you did. It was going to get paid.
That's it.
But anyway, why you didn't call it? Listen, let me tell you something, okay? Any problem you have with this car, this one here, you call it in right there. Park right there. Y'all be over there at that park every day. Y'all see all type of criminal stuff happen, and y'all don't even do your job.
Okay.
But all of a sudden, y'all want to do something today. What is the problem?
This was just a simple traffic stop.
So, okay, well, make sure y'all park over there every day. And when y'all see other stuff going on over there, make sure y'all take care of those problems too. Okay? Y'all have a good day.
So, all right. Have a good one.
Hold on.
You explain it. You can show her the line.
Yeah, no, you can show it to me.
I'll show you
Oh,
where
you
the
found
line is.
it?
Yeah, I
I'm
found
glad you found it. Show me.
All right, come on. I'll just show you. Look, see where it says AS1?
I'm gonna make sure and go to get changed. And other than that, do we have a problem with this car?
It looks a little dark, but
It's the same exact number.
Man.
You can see right through here, sir. You can see right through my window. You can see. Can you see through the window, or do you need glasses? Come on, you is so full of shit. I done seen tint darker than this. Hell, my tint probably the same as
People
yours.
have messed up tint.
Okay, but I done had this car for over 3 years. You never stopped me, and I done been pulled over several times. Nobody said nothing.
Look.
He done been. No, it probably was him.
Yeah.
I know one of y'all know because y'all come up with new laws every day.
It's not new
Y'all
laws.
come up with new laws
There are
every
new
day.
laws.
Well, I'm gonna make sure I go take care of this, and then I'm gonna make sure I come to the courthouse. Up to the police department so you can see it. Okay? I want to make sure all 3 of y'all see it when I go get it. It don't matter. I want you to see it. I do. I do. That way we don't never have no issue again about this car. Okay? Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Listen, we're not gonna sit here and argue on
Where does turn on the lights at from the pullover?
21st Street.
Where? Up there?
Yep. He was, you know where Davis Ave is?
Yeah.
He pulled out of Davis Ave, 21st Street, flipped on the lights, conducted a traffic stop. But like I was trying to explain to her, I know she's upset. She has every right to be upset. But we have to call it out over the radio before.
So he would he have been?
So like if he's parked on this side of the road, it's legal. Right, so it's with the flow of traffic. But now if he's parking on this side of the road, he has to be on this side of the road facing this way. So.
What are you talking about? Like right now?
Yeah, like right now, if he parked on this road, it's legal. But if his car was parked over here on this side of the road, this is legal. But if his car is like this, parked on this side of the road where he's at, then it's not legal.
I'm just talking about in terms of him finding a place, right? Because this is off on the side street. Police officers, right? Like he's one black man standing here, right? Like a young man, right? 20 years old, whatever he is, like.
But other than that, he's good to go. I gave him a verbal warning. Everything's good.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. All right.
You shouldn't have no more problems. You call Mama ASAP.
When the second officer tries to separate mother and son and search the car over a visible detox drink, Mama steps in front of her child and ends the game. The Supreme Court in Rodriguez v. United States, 2015, held that a seizure justified only by a police-observed traffic violation becomes unlawful if it is prolonged beyond the time reasonably required to complete the mission of issuing a ticket. Once they chose a verbal warning, the stop was legally over. She forces them to admit on camera they're issuing no citation, dismantles the parking pretext, and vows to bring the legal tint certificate to the station for all of them to see. By the end, the officers are reduced to lecturing about parking direction while she walks away victorious. She protected her son with knowledge, zero consent, and unapologetic fearlessness, the ultimate insurance against bad cops. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.